You give to everybody else, now it's time to give to you. Hello gorgeous girl, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got yet another amazing 5-minute workout that is a little snippet that I pulled from my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. This is back to center. This is a Pilates-based workout, and I have to say, I love this workout. We do use a foam roller for a portion of the workout to really challenge the stability muscles, and it's just such a fantastic and fun workout. You're really gonna feel those deep muscles, and it's your time. It's time just for you. So if you've got a foam roller, go ahead and grab one, but I do give you modifications for everything inside of it. So let's get ready to get back to center. Good. You can bend your knees here once again, so our feet are planted, roller or not. Place the hands behind your head here, okay? You should feel stable. If you are on a roller and you don't feel stable, keep your fingers down on the ground. That's absolutely fine. Modifications here are always welcome, okay? Inhale, take a deep breath. Contract in the abdominals, curl, lift up your head. So you're using your feet here to stabilize you, and of course your core, right? And then lower it down. Inhale. And exhale, draw in the navel. Good, that's it. And inhale, lower. And exhale, pull in the belly. Keep going here. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do 2 more like this. Inhale. Exhale, drawing the belly into the spine. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Let's stay here. Open those elbows a little bit wider, little pulse up here. Good. 2 and 3. Beautiful. Feel that deep, deep work here, right? 7 and 8. 9, I want to do it again. Come on, stay with me here. And 2, fire up those abs. 3 and 4, beautiful. 5, 6, that's it. And 7, ooh, and 8, yes, yes. And 9, and excellent. Okay, good. Lower the head down. Bring your arms down by your side. We do want to use them for stabilization here, right? Bring one foot up. Bring the other foot up. Now extend your leg that's closest to me out to 45 degrees. Curl, lift up your head. Bicycle legs. Exhale and exhale. Shoulders down the back. Exhale and exhale. That's it. Good. Keep going. That's it. Squeezing in the belly, shoulders down. Exhale, exhale, reaching those legs out. You can go a little higher with your legs if that feels better for you. And good, all right, good. Bring the legs to tabletop, plant the feet down, shift your head a little bit side to side, okay? If you are on the floor only, no roller, you could place a little bit of a hand behind your head. So if you're like, ooh, Trace, I feel this in my neck, that is actually normal when you're first getting started because you're building up your strength, all right? So if you're feeling it in your neck, it's not what we want, right? But it just means that your abs are not quite as strong yet. Just stick with me, okay? So arms are down by your side, all right? Bring one leg up to tabletop, bring the other leg up to a tabletop. I want you to curl, lift up your head. You're gonna inhale here, exhale, bring the legs out to 45 degrees with an external rotation. You're turned out. Bring the knees in, parallel, squeeze those inner thighs. Exhale, turn out, feel that wrap around your thighs. Inhale, parallel, and exhale and turn it out. Good, keep going here. Inhale, and exhale, and good. Let's do 3 more here. Inhale, and exhale, and reach, reach, reach. Good, 2, in, and exhale and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Last one here. Inhale and exhale and squeeze and hold and relax. All right, tabletop legs. Drop the feet down again if you need to. Just shift your head a little bit side to side. Relax the necks, relax the shoulders, okay? Very, very good. All right, so you're going to take those legs back up into the tabletop again. Use those hands for stability. Now extend the legs up into the air, all right? Contract in your abdominals, curl, lift up your head, look at your belly, flex your feet, flex, lengthen and lower those legs down to wherever you feel comfortable. Point the toes, bring the legs back up. Flexing the feet down, squeeze those inner thighs like crazy, and then bring it back up. You got to exhale, flex, 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 and good. And exhale, flex, and up. 2 more like this. And bring it up. Last one. Abs in and exhale and bring it up. Okay, good. Last one is coming, all right? Bring those feet down, shift the head side to side. I almost just fell off my roller. We don't want that to happen, all right? Last one here, right? So you're going to extend those legs up into the air once again, all right? The leg that's closest to me, we're gonna lower it down, all right? Curl, lift up your head, look at your navel, and we're gonna scissor our legs. Exhale, switch, and switch, and exhale, that's it, and exhale. As you bring that leg up, you exhale, keep going. Good, lengthen those legs. 3 more, 3, that's it, and 2, last one, and good, all right. Ooh, lordy, lordy, all right, good. Wasn't that so great? And like I said, this is just a small little preview of what you'll find inside of the full length workout inside my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. Here's what makes TBT so special. It's not just a bunch of random workouts out there. I mean, the truth is you can find that anywhere, right? Everybody knows that. What makes TBT so special and unique is that it is a system. It's a system that leads you step by step directly towards your transformation. We are with you every step of the way. So you'll get your monthly calendar. So all you've got to do is just log in and press play. You know exactly what to do in order to create results. And that's what you all want, right? So if you haven't already checked out TBT, we'd love to have you inside of our really amazing community. Click on the link down below here and you can get all the details for it. We'd love to welcome you. And if you want to stick around here on YouTube and get another little sneak peek, go ahead and do this workout next and I'll see you over there.